Have you ever wanted to make fresh homemade pasta, only to give up because the process seemed too slow, messy, or complicated? Many pasta attachments require constant swapping between rollers and cutters, turning what should be a fun cooking experience into a frustrating one. If that sounds familiar, today's review might save you both time and effort. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Antree 3-in-1 pasta maker attachment for KitchenAid stand mixers. It's designed for home cooks, pasta lovers, and KitchenAid owners who want fresh spaghetti, fettuccine, and pasta sheets without buying a separate pasta machine. Instead of switching between multiple attachments, this all-in-one design keeps everything in a single unit, making homemade pasta much more convenient. You can find a direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is how thoughtfully it's designed. The attachment has a solid stainless steel construction that immediately feels durable and well built. It doesn't feel flimsy or lightweight like some budget alternatives. Even though it combines 3 different functions into one attachment, it remains surprisingly compact, making it easier to store when you're finished cooking. Once attached to a compatible KitchenAid stand mixer, it feels secure and stable during use, giving you confidence while rolling and cutting dough. One feature that really makes a difference is the all-in-one design. Traditional pasta attachments often require you to stop, remove one attachment, install another, and then continue working. Here, you can roll pasta sheets and move directly into cutting spaghetti or fettuccine without constantly changing accessories. That might sound like a small improvement, but once you're making multiple batches, it noticeably speeds up the entire process and makes homemade pasta feel much less like a chore. Performance is where this attachment earns its place in the kitchen. The pasta roller offers 8 thickness settings, allowing you to make everything from delicate lasagna sheets to thicker pasta depending on your recipe. The adjustment mechanism feels smooth and easy to control, even if you're making fresh pasta for the first time. Because the KitchenAid mixer provides consistent power, the dough feeds evenly through the rollers without requiring excessive effort from you. Instead of hand cranking a traditional pasta machine, you simply guide the dough while the mixer does the hard work. The spaghetti and fettuccine cutters also perform well, producing uniform noodles that cook evenly and look impressively professional. Whether you're preparing a simple weeknight dinner or hosting family and friends, the finished pasta has that fresh homemade texture that's difficult to match with dried store-bought noodles. It's especially satisfying to watch the machine transform a simple sheet of dough into perfectly cut strands within seconds. Another area where this attachment shines is ease of use. Installation is quick, especially if you're already familiar with your KitchenAid mixer. The included cleaning brush helps remove leftover flour and dough, and the design allows better access to areas where dough can sometimes collect. That's an advantage over many competing attachments, which can be frustrating to clean after a long cooking session. While you still shouldn't wash the attachment under running water, routine cleaning is straightforward and doesn't take much time. Overall, the Antree 3-in-1 pasta maker attachment is an excellent upgrade for anyone who already owns a KitchenAid stand mixer and wants to make fresh pasta at home. It's durable, efficient, easy to use, and significantly reduces the time and effort involved in preparing homemade noodles. If you've been thinking about making pasta from scratch more often, this accessory is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.